and listen to what your grade 10 students are saying, okay?
Bonjour, 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 everyone. So, as you know, what is today? What is today? Why are we here today?
Come on, everyone, why are we here today?
Happy Bastille Day time.
Yes, yes, you are correct. Yes, you are correct. Today is Bastille Day. So, I'm here going to explain you about the history of Bastille. So, Bastille was a state prison in Paris. So, as you know, Paris is the capital of France. Did you know that?
Yes.
Very good. So the Bastille was ruled by some selfish and rude kings and queens who abused their power. So the people, the citizens like you and me in their country decided to go against them and kill and attack the fort. Isn't it very scary? So at first the soldiers of the king were fighting against the crowd, but then they realized that the kings and queens were wrong. So they decided to go with the citizens and attack the king and queen. After that they defeated them and they won. So this brave victory by the French people put this king and queen out of the fort and their power. Isn't it very interesting? It's something new that you might be hearing.
Right, yes.
So this was the beginning of the new French Revolution, and this is the day that they had defeated the evil kings and queens. So this sparked courage in this Paris people, led them to the revolt against these cruel kings and queens who ruled over them for so long. So this was the history of the Bastille.
So now it's time for some exciting facts. So look at this monument. It is located in Paris, which is the capital of France. Do you know what is this famous monument called? Anyone?
Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel
Eiffel
Tower.
Tower.
Very good.
Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, mute.
Eiffel Tower.
Perfect. Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
Perfect. Très bien, tout le monde.
Absolutely. It is the Eiffel Tower, or in French, they call it as La Tour Eiffel. Do you recall this shape? You might have learned it in maths. What is it called? Does anyone know?
Hexagon.
Perfect.
Pentagon.
It's a hexagon.
Hexagon.
It has
Très bien.
Hexagon. Six
a
sides.
six-sided shape is called hexagon. You are correct. So the country France, as you can see in the image, has a hexagonal shape. So it is also known as the hexagon. Look at what we have here. Some delicious cheese. Do you know from where this yummy cheese originated from? It was none other than France.
For the France. For the France.
Yeah, correct. But what is it called in French? It is called la fromage.
La fromage.
Correct.
We learned that in the last class. Yes.
Very good. So now, you know what else France is most famous for? Yes, as you can see in the presentation, France is well known for its perfumes. You might have yourselves used such amazing perfumes. So today, do ask your parents about the perfumes you use. Look what we have here. Some mouth-watering dessert. Perfect. I'm sure you might be looking at this. I'm sure you might as well have one right away.
So thank you
Merci.
everyone for listening to us and happy Bastille Day. Merci
Happy
tout le monde.
Bastille.
Happy Bastille Day.
Merci.
Happy Bastille Day.
Happy Bastille Day. Happy Bastille Day. Happy Bastille Day.
Merci,
Sid and Aryan, that
Aryan.
was yes, that was really very well. Messi. Over to you, Kushbu ma'am.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to conduct an activity. Okay, so are you ready with your map of France? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Show it to me. Come on, quickly. Show the screen. Très bien. Très bien. Krusha, where are you? I can't see you. Okay, perfect. Now, the first thing what we're going to do is, we are going to divide this map into 3 parts. Can you see the lines? Can you see the soft lines? With a very soft lines, okay? With a very soft line. Take a ruler and a pencil. Draw equal lines. See, can you see? This is 1 and this is 2, okay? We'll divide the map into 3 parts. Okay? Why 3 parts? Because
I cannot see any line in mine.
Dhruv, see. Can you see this is the first line, this is the second line? Part 1, part 2, part 3. Can you see, Dhruv? See.
No, I have not. I have not that line only.
Babu, you have to draw that line. You have to draw that line, okay? Okay, just draw that line. Okay, there's no line on the map.
See the line. Done.
Done. If done, then thumbs up. You need to raise your thumb. Okay? If done, then thumbs up because we can see everyone. Okay?
It's not clear.
Okay. Listen. 3, 2, 1. Mute everyone. 3, 2, 1. Mute. Because if everyone will speak together, teacher won't be able to listen to anyone, isn't it? So if you have any doubts or any concerns with related to the same, you may write it in the chat box. Okay, babies? All right. We'll help you out. Okay?
Teacher, I can't write in the chat box.
Why?
Because I don't know how to type that fast.
No worries. Type slow, no worries. Okay? No worries.
Type slow,
Okay.
darling. Type slow, okay?
Teacher,
Yes, students, we want to. Yes, Arya
When
and
can
everyone, you want the activity to be done, right? You want, Dhruv, wait. You want the activity to be done, right? So first listen to the teacher carefully, okay? If you don't understand anything, you can type in the chat box. You can type slow. We are here. We are not going anywhere, okay? Yes, start.
Okay, so first divide it into 3 parts. This is part 1, part 2, part 3. Now, why we are dividing into 3 parts? Because we are going to color them in 3 colors. The first is blue, second is white, and third is red. Now, what we'll do is, okay, are you done with this? If there, yes, then thumbs up. Are you done with this? Dividing the lines? Perfect. Now, take a earbud. Okay,
Ma'am,
take a
ma'am, can you please show? Excuse me, ma'am. Can you please show
Yeah,
the
sure.
division which you have made?
See this. This is line 1. This is line 2. Okay, I have divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. Part 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay. All right. We'll wait for a minute and then we'll continue. Dhruv,
Ma'am, can you show me again?
Sure,
Ma'am, is it okay
see,
if we put it horizontally?
no, like this. The way I have done it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Now, what we are going to do is, we're going to take a cotton bud. Okay. Take a cotton bud. Take your colors. Where are your colors? Show me your colors. Perfect.
Teacher, my colors are not ready.
Okay, no worries. Take your time. Okay. Now, open the blue one. Okay. Dip your cotton bud into blue one. Okay, like this. Come on, dip it.
Teacher, wait for me.
Yeah. I'll show it again. Don't worry. Okay. Now, see, this is our part 1. Isn't it? You just simply have to do dots. See, like this. Can you see? Okay. See, like this. Okay. Can you see the dots?
Ma'am, I don't have
A little closer. And can you draw the lines a little darker? So that
Sure.
we can, yeah.
I'll do that.
Use a pen.
Give me a minute. I'll do that.
I can see everyone is trying and I'm so happy. Everyone is doing so nicely. Very nice. Amazing. Yes. Do it very slowly, very nicely, neatly, okay? Small, small dots. Okay,
I
just
was
dip it into it and small dots. Yes. Yeah, ma'am. We can see it now. Put it a little closer. Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Like this, okay? Everyone on the first part. See clear? Okay. So we are doing it on the first part. Blue color, okay?
blue.
Blue, perfect, blue. Yes, perfect. Come on, do it.
Ma'am, ma'am, I don't have cotton bud.
Okay. Then you can use
Ma'am.
you can use any.
Can you show me?
You can
Yes,
use
yes,
the
Dhruv, just a minute. Those who doesn't listen, students, if you don't have
Oh, Siddharth, once again, Ronan mute. Ronan, Siddharth, please mute yourself.
if you don't have earbud, students, you can use a matchstick if you have, okay? Matchstick. Yes, Tejal ma'am, you were saying something. Sorry for interrupting.
No, I was just saying she can use the back of the pencil or pencil tip also.
Yes, perfect. Okay, okay, Spruha.
Yes, ma'am. I've used a toothpick.
Toothpick.
Sure.
Krishna, can you use a matchstick? Because matchstick, the dots from the matchstick will be, more proper rather than the toothpick.
Toothpick and cotton.
Toothpick and cotton. Okay, fine. Okay, no
Yes,
worries.
Krishiv, that's a nice idea, darling.
Okay, that's a nice idea. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm done with the first part with blue.
Are you done with blue? Once again, what are my class rules? That if you are done, you're supposed to write done in the chat box. Simple as that, isn't it? Because if everyone will speak together, teacher won't be able to listen to anyone, isn't it? So please, note yourself. If you are done, please write done in the chat box. Okay.
Like this. Ma'am,
Very good. Yes, Rabia.
this enough or should I do more?
Trebia to Lamont. Now, the same way, the way you did the blue color, now we are going to do the white color. Okay? Dip your earbud into white color. Dip your earbud into white color.
Ma'am,
Like
do we
this.
to do
See.
the whole one line blue?
Yeah, no worries. If you don't have, you may use. Okay? And yes, Siddharth.
I join only what we need to do.
Okay, Siddharth, listen. This is the map of France. Yes or no? Yes. Now, first you divide the map of France into 3 parts. See, can you see 1, 2, and 3? Yes or no, beta? 3 equal parts. Okay. Then you need to take a cotton bud. Okay. Dip your cotton bud into blue color. Okay. And simply just make a dots like this on the first part. Okay. See over here. Can you see? Okay, Siddharth, clear? Now, once you are done with the blue one, listen everyone. Once you're done with the blue one, you're going to do same thing with the white one. Okay, take a fresh bird, take a fresh cotton bird, and dip your bird into white color, and just place the dots in the second this.
Ma'am, can I start the lesson because my paper is already white?
No. Do the white one. It will give a nice effect. Okay, it will give a nice effect. Okay,
I don't have white color.
Babu. Then do you have a white crayon? Just put a dots with that. We can always use an alternative then. Okay, just dip your word into white color and just put the dots like this. Okay, just place the dots.
Ma'am, I don't have white color.
Babu, if you don't have a white color, you can always use the white crayon. Do you have a white crayon?
Yes.
Make a dots of those crayon. Okay.
I also don't have a white crayon.
Arya, do you have a white chalk color? White color?
No.
Oh, okay. Then what we can do? Hita ma'am, any suggestions? Tejal ma'am, any suggestions?
Khushbu ma'am, as it is, the paper is white, so she can leave it like that only, and she can color the other part.
Okay, perfect.
Then
All
we
right.
start with the third part.
Okay. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, now, Arya, do the red one better. Do the red one.
Miss,
Okay.
I don't have watercolors.
Sorry, what? Can you come again?
I don't have watercolors.
You don't have watercolors or you have watercolors? I'm sorry. Can you repeat?
I want.
Uh,
Ma'am, can you please show the map again?
yeah, sure. See, the first is blue. The second is white. You have to draw do the white dots, and the third one is red. Okay, and the third one, just dip your new cotton bud, the fresh cotton bud, into the red color, and similarly place the dots like this. Okay.
Krishiv, darling, can you do a favor? Krishiv, can you put your paper a little up? I want to see it. It's looking amazing. I want to see it. Yes. Yes, Krishiv. Yeah, I want to see you as well. Can you hold that paper? Wow, lovely. And with a smile.
Wow, Krisha.
Thank you, Krishiv.
Okay. So first blue one, second white, and the third red. Sorry, what's Stuti?
I still don't have watercolors.
I'm really not able to hear you. Hita ma'am, can you please? She don't have watercolor. She has the watercolors. I'm not getting it.
She doesn't
There
have,
we
ma'am.
are,
She
the
doesn't
one.
have. Yes, Stuti, that's fine. That's the problem.
Okay, okay, not a problem, not a problem. Trebia, right? Trebia,
I go to the doctor.
Please.
Trebia, Suroha, Trebia.
Leave. I need to go to the doctor. Can I leave?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, Krisha. Okay,
Bye.
okay. Okay, bye.
Stuti, it's okay if you don't have colors. If you have crayons, then also you can use them and put dots. Okay, that would also look very nice with blue and red. Okay, Stuti? Yes. Yeah, Arya,
Perfect.
Treb, yeah, very nice. Advai, can you show me? Can you hold it and show me?
Teacher, done.
Done? Sure. Is it looking something like this? Perfect. Okay,
Yes,
now
thank you,
if you want, you can make a outline. Okay, a black outline. See, the way I did.
Who's my mom?
Trebia.
Teacher,
Trebia. Ronan, I request you to please stop using blackboard. Done.
Yes.
Show.
ma'am.
Trebia, Priyansh.
Anna, you need to make more dots. You need to fill it up.
Ma'am.
Okay. One at a time. One at a time, please. One at a time. I really request you.
I will
one
call
at a
your names. Students, I will call your names
Perfect.
and then you will have to hold it like this, okay? Stay mute. Stay mute.
time. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, Advai.
Mute. Yes, you can decorate. Yes, Vega, you can decorate. You can always decorate that. Okay.
Okay,
Treb,
I
you
believe
are
that
lucky.
everyone
Treb,
will stay mute and whenever I ask your name, you will hold it like this. Okay,
Treb,
with a
yes,
smile on
Treb.
your face. Yes, Rhythm. Can you hold it for me?
Teacher, I'm done.
Yes, Rhythm, with a smile. With a
What the
smile.
other end?
I can't see you, Bea. I want to see you also. Yeah, amazing, Rhythm. There, Bea. Okay,
Treb,
Arya, would you like to show me? Thank you, Rhythm.
Nancy, ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me, I'm done.
Sure. Treb, yeah.
Wow, you are.
Treb, yeah.
Wow, Abhivant, that's super amazing. My kids, Veer. Wow.
Ma'am, what do we have to do with the two extra toothpicks? It's like the
You need to dip the earbud into the color and then you need to place it like this.
Yeah, I did it like that. But what do you have to do with the two extra on your board?
Just keep it, okay? One, you have to place it into blue color. One, you have to place it into white. And another one, you have to place it into the red color. Okay?
But
You
I
just-
don't have color. I don't have.
Ronin, listen. Do you have oil pastels with you? Do you have oil pastels with you? Just make a dots from those oil pastels.
No, I do not.
Okay, Vidya?
Crayons and oil pencils are this year.
I do not. Ma'am, I done.
Priyansh,
Trevia.
very
Trevia.
nice. Very nice. Rahi, Priyansh.
In French, we said blah blah and douche.
Trevia.
And look,
Priyansh, could you hold it, please? Once.
Perfect.
Smile. There's no smile.
Smile. Smile.
Yes. Tripti, can you hold it?
Dhriti, hold, beta. Dhriti, hold. Hold like this. Trevia.
Priyansh, I would request you to
Agastya done.
Dhriti,
Priyansh,
you are holding it incorrect.
Priyansh.
Myra, very nice.
Trevia, Priyansh. Okay. Trevia, Agastya. Trevia.
Myra, could you show me your face and smile?
I've completed.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah,
Shiv.
Shaivi. How lovely. Shaivi, hold it and smile.
Lovely, lovely.
Miss Cook is done.
Okay.
And
I guess almost everyone is done. So can we hold it like this and we can smile, everyone? Can we hold it and smile? Okay, come on. Come on, everyone. Just hold it and smile. You need to turn on your videos for that. Come on, quickly. And smile.
Come on.
Done.
nice, stay mute, Anay.
Teacher,
Done.
for me.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
will do for you. Yeah.
Khushbu ma'am.
Ma'am, can I decorate? Ma'am, can I
Yeah,
decorate?
you can decorate. Yeah. Yes. For sure.
Khushbu, can you show it for once? Yeah, Khushbu ma'am, can you show it for once?
Yes. Just a minute.
I'm not decorating it. Out.
Thank you. Wow. Amazing. Everyone, stay mute. Yes, I
Okay,
would like
three-
Chevy to stay mute.
3, 2, 1, mute.
Yes, it was such a fantastic day, and we couldn't have asked for a better activity, isn't it? Yes, I think all of you enjoyed it, isn't it? You know. Yes, or no? Yes. And I'm so thankful to our head of the school, Miss Hina Paleja ma'am, and who motivated us for the success of this event. I thank Bhavna ma'am, Tejal ma'am, and Vaishali ma'am from the bottom of my heart for their constant support and guidance throughout this event. I thank the coordinators, teachers, and parents for this event. And thank you, students, for showing your motivation and doing a lovely job. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup.
Bye, teacher. Merci beaucoup.
Bye.
Bye,
Goku.
ma'am.
Very nice, Ivan. Very nice.
Merci beaucoup. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.